At the 500,000 lb banana plant, automated washing machines clean incoming fruit before processing for modern industrial banana loaf production.
These look like they're at the right stage.
Yes, the yellow ones are ready. The green need a day.
I'll move them to the production line.
Portion control systems ensure uniform banana loaf weights inside the 500,000 lb banana plant.
Calibrate dispensing. Mixtures at target weight.
Controlled humidity chambers regulate fermentation conditions inside the 500,000 lb banana plant during modern industrial banana loaf production.
Tracking systems active. Shipments leaving the 500,000 lb banana plant on schedule. Banana loaf boxes scanning out. Systems confirmed. Logistics optimized. Next batch ready. Final visual inspection on the banana loaf packaging. Labels are clear, seals are intact, quality confirmed for the 500,000 lb banana plant.
At the 500,000 lb banana plant, scanners validate every banana loaf. Each scan confirms the journey from farm to consumer. Reliable quality control at industrial scale. Shelf life testing monitors banana loaf freshness from the 500,000 lb banana plant. Day 1 loaves remain fresh. Testing continues to ensure quality. Drop tests ensure our packaging is durable. From the 500,000 lb banana plant, this loaf is protected. The packaging held up perfectly under the drop, ready for shipping. Packaging integrity testing verifies banana loaf sealing at the 500,000 lb banana plant.
Seal test passed. Product is secure.
The banana flavor is intense and natural.
I agree, and the texture is perfect. I'm giving it a high score.
Sweetness is balanced, a very consistent product.
These samples from the 500 banana plant. Run the analysis.
Understood. Initiating HPLC for ingredient balance check. Good. Confirming 100% balance on all targets.
Microbial testing ensures sanitation compliance for banana loaf products. Here, we prepare samples from the production line. This analysis confirms our products meet strict safety standards.
Sample 63 from the 500,000 lb banana plant. Let's test its softness. Ready. Target is 500 grams.
Penetration complete. Depth is 5 millimeters.
Excellent. Log it.
Okay, let's test this loaf's moisture.
Ready. From the main production line. Inserting sample now.
Result is 38.2%.
Logging it.
Let's check this batch for consistency.
Agreed. This one looks uniform.
Slicing to check the interior.
Moist and even. No off odors.
Good. This batch is clear. We're at 312,000 pounds. Efficiency is holding at 95%.
Good. Keep an eye on the mixer overload alert.
Will do. Adjusting the mix ratio now.
Looks stable. Let's monitor packaging. Logging current production metrics into the quality system. Throughput is steady at 12,500 pounds per hour. Defect rate is below 1%. Data saved. This pallet's ready for wrap. Got it. Taping the top boxes. Make it tight for shipping. Understood. Almost done here.
In the 500,000 lb banana plant, inventory systems track every banana loaf time as batches move through production. This ensures precise tracking and efficient operations at scale. Cold storage warehouses hold finished banana loaf products inside the 500,000 lb banana plant. Automated systems and forklifts manage the inventory efficiently in this high-capacity facility. Optical scanners check banana loaf slice consistency inside the 500,000 lb banana plant. The system ensures uniform quality and texture in every slice. cooling racks stabilize banana loaf texture inside the 500,000 lb banana plant during modern industrial banana loaf production. Internal temperature sensors track banana loaf baking conditions inside the 500,000 lb banana plant during modern industrial banana loaf production. Vegetable oil dosing pumps measure oil quantities inside the 500,000 lb banana plant for modern industrial banana loaf production. Inside the 500,000 lb banana plant, these massive banana puree tanks store freshly mashed bananas. The puree is pumped through a vast network of pipes to other stages of production.
All right, bring in the next pallet. Steady, watch the stack. Clear the dock for the next one. Pallet coming in, clear the dock. Lowering now, watch your step. Got it, moving to secure. Straps tight, load secured.